How to change lock screen pin on Samsung phone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in screen lock and search for it. Now click on this option of screen lock, open it. Now go ahead and click on this option of screen lock. Now you will be prompted to enter your PIN. Due to privacy restrictions, I'm not able to record this section. After you type in your PIN, you will land to this kind of page. You will get different screen lock options as swipe, pattern, PIN or password. As you just want to change your PIN, you have to select the option of PIN again, click on it. You will be prompted to type in new PIN for your device. Just type in and again confirm it. And with that, new PIN for your device will be updated. Well, this is how you can easily change lock screen PIN on Samsung phone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.